Video, I'm going to teach you how to add Contact Us page to Weebly website. Let's get started by opening your Weebly site editor. From your dashboard, choose the website you want to work on, and the editor will load with your current theme and pages. This is where all the changes you make will happen in real time, so you can immediately see how your site looks as you build. Next, head over to the Pages tab. This section controls your site's navigation and structure, so any page you add here can appear in your menu. It's the best place to keep things organized and make sure visitors can easily find the information they need. Now click Add Page. You'll see a few page types you can start from. Choosing a template saves time and gives you the right layout from the beginning. This keeps your design consistent and reduces the amount of manual setup you need to do. Select Contact Page. Weebly's Contact Page template typically includes a built-in form and, depending on the theme, a map or space for your address. Give the page a clear name like Contact or Contact Us so it shows up neatly in your navigation. If you see options for visibility or whether to show it in the menu, make sure it's set to be visible so your visitors can access it right away. Now, customize the form. Click into the form to edit its fields. You can add or remove inputs like name, email, phone, subject, and message, and drag fields to reorder them. Mark essential fields as required so you always receive the information you need. Update labels and placeholder text for clarity, and keep instructions short and friendly. In the form settings, confirm the email address where submissions should be sent, and write a concise success message that appears after someone submits. If available, enable spam protection to reduce unwanted messages. You can also style the form to match your brand by adjusting fonts, colors, and button text. If your template includes a map or address block, update it with your accurate location or remove it if you work remotely. The goal is to make it effortless for visitors to reach you and to set expectations about response time. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing pushes your changes live, so your new contact page appears on your website's navigation and is accessible to visitors. If you need to adjust anything later, simply return to the editor, make your changes, and publish again. That's it. Your Contact Us page is live, functional, and ready to capture messages from your audience.